Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you first open Word, a startup screen appears which lets you create a new document. Simply click the type of document to create in the listing of available templates that appears at the right side of the startup screen. Alternatively, click the New button at the left side of the startup screen if shown, or click the More Templates link below the template listing to show the New section of the Backstage view. If you have already opened a Word document, you can view a similar screen by clicking the File tab in the ribbon and then selecting the New command at the left side of the Backstage view. You can create a new document from a template by clicking the desired template choice in the listing of available templates that appears to the right in the Backstage view. If you choose a template, a pop-up box will appear with a short description of the template. Click the Create button to download the template and create a new document based on the selected template. Alternatively, to immediately create a new blank document, simply click the Blank Document template choice.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.